Alright, welcome back. Now this is video 2, so if you haven't watched video 1, make sure that you watch it first. Now this is a 3D printer. This is where we're going to be sending our objects, the ones that you make. 3D printing, it works this way. There's a spool of filament. This is just plastic. And what it does is that it heats it up really hot, turns it into a liquid, and then just begins to shape out whatever it is that we're creating. It's printing it. Instead of paper, now it's printed into 3D plastic. So once you send it there, the machine does its work. There's the filament. It goes through, heats it up, it melts it into liquid, and then it creates this. Now it takes a very long time to do something like this, but it works out. So when you finish, make sure that you save it. When you save it, you're going to export it, and the instructions are going to be on the website itself, and then we can send it to print. But don't hold your breath. It will take some time. All right. Thank you. We'll see you next time. Have fun tinkering.